So we're in the veggie garden, guys, and there is one plant that anybody can grow. It's this guy. It's called a nasturtium. They come up like weeds. Like seriously, they have a life of their own. How much maintenance do they require? Zero. How much effort? Really little. And what do you get from them? Well, a world of opportunities. They can grow in semi-shade or in a full sun position, and you know, if they die down during the really cold of winter, they just come back up again because they seed so readily. Fresh from the garden, can it get any better? Now, I know some of you are sitting on your couch and thinking, seriously, you want me to eat this? 100%. It's beautiful for the garden and yummy too. So let's show you how we're gonna do this. Really nice and easy. Grab a chopping board. Guys, this is gonna take like a couple of minutes. No mess, no fuss. Grab a knife, the bigger the better. And a few of your nasturtium flowers. Now, the great thing about nasturtiums is that every part is edible. But for now, we're gonna make nasturtium butter. This is taking ordinary butter from zero to hero. The flowers have got a nuttiness about them. It's completely something that you're not used to. It's not mustardy like some of the leaves are. This is a nutty flavor, but not only that, it also starts coloring up and adding a bit of zing to it. This is really simple. I take these little stalks off. Of course, these you can chew on while you're busy. And why am I chewing on them? Well, number one, they're gorgeous. Number two, nasturtiums are one of your highest sources of iron and one of the highest sources of vitamin C. Highest sources. So if you've got a sore throat, if you're feeling a little bit like the lurgy's coming to you, you know, the flu, then you grab a few leaves, a few flowers, and off you go. And this cannot be simpler. Chunks, pop it into a bowl, add a bit of butter, and this has to be like real butter, hey? Not that other plastic stuff. All right. In here, and then we just mix it up. And now when you mix it up, you want to put a bit of elbow grease into this so that we get a nice even consistency. But look at it, look at the colors already. It looks like saffron bits have been added in here. Very fancy, yet so inexpensive. Perfect, and look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Look at like little jewels, pops of color in there. You've got the orange, deeper orange. You know what I want to do, hey? All right, no, but we can't. Okay, so once that's done, you can put it into your fancy ramekins at this point, but probably the best way to do it is to get some nice toast. Look at this. Now, doesn't that look gorgeous? Nasturtium butter. Pop it into the fridge. It can last for up to a week. Doesn't this add a zing to the end of the month, salty crack? I know you want some. It's delicious, absolutely delicious. All I need now is my coffee and I'm good to go. But that's not the end of nasturtiums. We've got loads more other little guys to show you. Cheap, easy, effective, and so much fun. So stay with me. Okay, toasties done. Next up, we are going to take the nasturtium flowers. So with this, we're not chopping up anything too hectically. What we are going to be doing is taking half a cup of cream cheese, ordinary stuff that you get in the shops. I need a teaspoon, all right? And take your cream cheese, pop it in here because we're going to be stuffing these flowers. Like pops, you know, like deep fried ice cream, but not quite, much healthier. All right, so in goes our cream cheese, half a cup of that. There we go. And we're going to be mixing up some things here, so just try and work with your, get it a bit more palatable already. It looks yummy, I just want to eat it. Okay, cream cheese, a little bit of garlic, in it goes, depending on how pungent you want it or how much of a kick you want. A few chives. There we go. All right, let's get them in. And that's just going to add a nice little pop of color in here. in go the chives. Alrighty. You can mix that up. And look at that. I mean, you're taking cream cheese from 0 to hero already. Okay, but we haven't got there yet. What I need to do is add in a little bit of the zest of a lemon. So here we go with one of these guys. Just a little bit in, and that's just going to give it a bit of a kick. You're not using any of the juice. Just a little bit of the zest. That should be enough. A couple of scrapings there. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. Pinch of salt. There we have it. Mix this all up. Then we take this mixture, and this is where it gets a little bit delicate, so you got to hang with me, and you got to try and work with me here. We're going to take a teaspoon, and I'm going to take 2, because I know this is going to be a messy job. And we take the flour, and we're going to take a little ball of this beautiful yummy mixture, and we're going to pop it inside the flour. So we've got pops of nasturtium balls. And then we just pop them on here. Okay, and away we go. Oh, you pretty baby. And this is my last little jewel. Look. Beautiful. And when you like squeeze the little petals onto them, it's like glue. It's just like super glue, so they stick. It's lovely. And bang it goes, and oh, now I've impressed myself. Seriously. This is so yummy. The pepper, a bit of the lemon, the chives, and then of course, when you eat these little babies, remember, eating the leaf, eating the flowers was very different. We've got a bit of stem on it now, and the stem gives you a bit of a mustard, like a wasabi-ish kick. So you've got this all-in-one, Mum. And look at that. Who wouldn't want to pop this in their mouth? Oh. Nice.